I'm your Tanvishri and welcome to our channel 5plus1 musketeers. Oh, it's already afternoon and I feel so hungry. Let's go to Mr. Vivek's home so that he can make delicious food for me. Let's go. Mr. Vivek, I'm feeling so hungry. Can you make some food to me?
Okay, Mr. Tanvishri.
So, Mr. Vivek, what are you going to prepare today?
I'm going to prepare today without oil chicken.
Wow, without oil, how is it possible, Mr. Vivek?
Now I'm going to show you.
What are the ingredients of chicken without oil?
Okay, I'm going to tell you. Ginger garlic paste, onion, green chilli, coriander, chilli powder, salt, chicken, pepper powder, chicken masala. This is the special bowl. This is name is helix. We can make anything like without oil in this. We have to make this bowl for 10 second or 20 second heat. We have to wait still for 40. You can see here in 20. We have to still the 40. You can see here middle line. Now it got it heated. Now don't keep any oil into the helix bowl. Only keep directly. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes it is. I think it is already cooked. Now you can see already chicken is already half cooked. Now I am adding in all the ingredients. And chilli. Little. Some masala. Some chicken masala. And when you keep all the curry in the chicken, now mix. After 5 minutes, we'll see how it will cook. You can see how yummy it is. We have to mix. I think it's already cooked for 10 minutes. Yeah. How yummy, Tanvi?
Yeah.
You want to eat one piece?
Yes.
See, Tanvi, how good it is cooked without oil.
Oh, it's very beautiful. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. I want to have it.
Okay, taste. Please taste. Wait for 2 minutes. 5 minutes is too hot.
It's very delicious and tasty, Mr. Vivek.
Okay. Yes, it's too delicious.
Hope you like our video. So please like, share
share,
and subscribe our channel to get more updates from cooking. This Vivek.
From Mr.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.